everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to share with you all a home remedy for cough. And this is one medicine, one home remedy that if you are tired of using all the cough syrups and anything that you can buy over the counter, once you use this you are never going to go back to those cough syrups and things like that, because this is like that Rambar Dawa for cough. And here it is. This is what it is, and this is very, very effective. I don't get cough. Guess who gets in the family? It is my son who gets cold and cough, because they eat out and they drink cold water and whatever they want to do, and in the end when they get cold and they're coughing the whole day, this is what I give him. And once he start taking this in half an hour, all the cough will be gone, no matter how much he was coughing. So all the cough which is like dry cough and cold and cough, things like that will get cured from this. This is really effective, like 100% working home remedy. So I'll show you how to make it first, and then I'm going to tell you how to take it. We're going to need half cup of water, and then this is grated ginger. This is around half teaspoon. These are black pepper, around 20 to 22 black pepper whole, and then this is the cinnamon stick. And then I'm going to use the turmeric powder. This is organic turmeric powder. And also we will be needing honey, and that I'm going to add in the end, because honey is not supposed to be added when something any milk or water is too hot, because it spoils the benefits of honey. So we're going to add the honey at the end. I'm going to add the water first, then I'm going to add ginger, cinnamon stick and black pepper, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just give it a mix, and then we will boil it for 2 minutes. So cover it. It has been 2 minutes. Now it looks like this. I'm going to put off the flame, and then we are going to strain it. Once the temperature comes down a little bit, it is okay to drink. That's the time we're going to add honey. Honey quantity you can increase or decrease according to your taste. So I'm just going to mix it in this. So once you have made this and you have added the honey, now how to take it that you have already almost like half a cup. What you can do, you can start taking like every half an hour 1 teaspoon of this, and then keep on taking, like if you made it in the daytime, you just keep on taking in the whole day, every half hour or every hour, whatever you can do. If you are taking like every half hour 1 teaspoon of this, that will be the perfect. If not, every hour you can take, or if like you go to office, then in the morning you can take, and then whenever you get time, you come at home, that's the time you can take. And make sure that while you're going to bed, you take like at least 2 times you take, giving a gap of half an hour. And believe me, once you will use this in the night, there will be no coughing. No matter how much you were coughing in the daytime, every time I use this, cough is like all gone. So this is like a Rambar Dawa for cough that you all must know, and you all must try, and you all must use every time somebody in your family gets cough and cold. So do try this, and please do share this with your friends and family. You can do it through WhatsApp or Facebook, or you can just go on YouTube, and there will be a link to share the video with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.